Hey guys, this is Jesse.Davenport, come from Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today we're going to take a look at a 2021 new graphics. It's the 21 Desert Fox. There's a few things here on the outside and there's a whole bunch we can talk about. Give me a call on my cell phone. On the outside this has all the new graphics, the new lights, the new step that you can lift with one finger. Come on inside, we're going to take a look at the inside. When we look at the inside, you can see all the tall cabinets with all the screens above. This has this high skylight with fans front and back. This also has the double beds in the back. Up front with the front bathroom. There's so many things to talk about. Give me a call, text me, email me. My number's on the screen. My cell is 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.